Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are discuss how to create site columns and site content type. Let's see how we can create this site columns and site content type. This is our SharePoint site. Okay, let's go to our setting icon. We will click here and now we will go to site information. So click on here. Here scroll down. Now we will go to our site settings. We will click view all site settings. So here open our dialog box site settings. So in these site settings, so see here web designer gallery is there. So in this web designer gallery we have an site columns and site content type. Let's see how we can create site columns and how site columns can be used in our lists and libraries. Then how we can use, let's see how we can do this. Okay, site column means it is a site columns we have to reusable columns. Okay, once we have to create our columns, then anywhere we have to use these columns. Okay, now we will create site column. Here this is the group names, this is the site columns. So this is already system will be generated some site columns. See, these are this and all site columns. This name is group name. Okay, this under group name we have an site columns. So we have some groups there. So this and all site columns, this and all only generated by the system only. Okay, our administrator. So here this is the group name. Let's see how we can create the site column here. So now we will click on create button. So it will be open window, and here we will give the name of the column. Like we have to give the department. Okay, let's see. Here we have to give the choice column. So like we have to create our list, right, column, same like we have to create here also, but here this is the site column. Okay, now we have to create one new group. So or else we have to give existing group also we have to take. Like see here already some groups is there. Now under these groups we have to create a site column, or else we have to create new group. Okay, name give demo. Okay, we'll give choice column like developer. Designers. IT department. HR department. Okay, like we have to give the choice column names. Okay, finance department. Like we have to give the choice column names. Okay, under department we have to create finance department, IT department and HR department. Okay, now we have to choose default values. We have to give, no need to give here anything, or else we have to give, no issue for that. Now here in this column we need to validate also. We can do here one dialog box is there. Click on validation, column validation. Same like in our SharePoint list, whatever we have to do validation in a SharePoint list columns. So same thing we have to do this here also, but now we can create one time inside columns. So we have to use in multiple lists and libraries. Okay, let's see, we have to click on OK. Okay, now we will click on group name. So click on group name demo columns. Okay, now we will click on OK here. The column name you enter already in use reserved. Okay, now we will give the column name departments. Okay, now we will click on OK. Now side column is created. So let's see where it is created. Now we are creating one group. Under the we have to create our side column. Okay, group means where it is group. Yeah, demo. Yeah, demo is there, right? Now we will click on departments. This is our side column. Now we will click departments. Now here also we can edit our column details. Okay, no issue for that. So I already submitted data here, so no issue. I will click on cancel here. Let's see how we can use in side column in our lists. Okay, now we'll come to our list. This is our list name. Okay, so now we can add our list. Now we can take one employee list. So now we can give side columns here. So there is no any option here need to add side columns. Okay, let's see, there is no any option here. Add the side columns. Now we can click on settings, come to the list settings, click on list settings. Under we have an columns is there, right? Now we can add. So this is the create a column, add from the existing side columns. So column ordering and index columns. So now we will click on add from the existing side column. Here I will add the side column from the list. Okay, so here lot of lists will be there. Okay, so we can search. It's a too difficulty, right? So now we will categorize it by the groups. Okay, now we will search our group name. Okay, give demo. So we have under the group we have side columns will displayed here. So okay, now we will click here and add column data to add. Okay, now we will click on OK. So it will be added into our list. Okay, let's see where it will be added. So now click on our employee list. So here we can add a departments. So this is the side column. So this side column we can add in our list. Okay, now we will enter the data. Okay, name, okay, email ID. We will give the data here, employee ID and contact number and salary and department. So we have an ID department like so. We will save here. So automatically data will be stored in our list. Like this is the side column. So and also we have to side column once I created, we have to use multiple times. Okay. Now we will click on library. Also we have to add our side column. Okay. Click on documents. So this is our library. Okay, now we will go to the settings. Same like we have to add in our same list how we can add it. So same like we have to add in our document library also. Okay, this is our library. Now we can add the side column here also. Click on site settings. Here we will click on library settings. Click on library settings. So we can click on more library settings. Okay, it will be shown. Okay, now we will same the procedure before how we can do. So like we have add from the existing column side columns. Okay, click on here. Now we will search group name and we will click here, add data from here. Okay, click on OK. Okay, right? So click on our document library. So here our site column will be added. So now we will create one. So this is our site column. So now once we will create site column in our site, so we have to use multiple times in lists and libraries. Okay, this is the more advantage from site columns. So let's see how we can create the site content type and how we can use in our list. Okay, now we will click on site site contents. Okay, we will click on site settings. Here we will go to the site column content types. Okay, so here what we'll do, now we will create one content type, then we have to use in our list and libraries. Okay, okay, now we will create content type. Click on here, give a name. So I have to give an demo content. So for demo content type, okay, now we will use existing category or else give new category, some like give name also. Okay, here we have to display custom content types, like display template content types, so document content types. We have categorized more types. Okay, what we need we have to give, like, okay, I have to give list content types. Okay, click on here, and here we will display category what list content types. And here content type is we have to more we have to create like a comment, contact, event or issue, item, link, message. So these are the already predefined, so or else we have to create a new category. Okay, now I am creating in item. Okay, so create here. So now our demo content is created. So let's see how it's work in our list and library. So go to back our SharePoint site. Okay, let's see now. Come to our employee list. Here also there is no any option to add the content type. Okay, click on add column. See, there is no any option. So right now how we can do this, first of all keep in mind first thing, so we have to allow content management. We need to click on as. So how we can do this, click on site settings, go to the list settings. So here go to the advanced settings. So under the list settings we have to go like so. This is the when we need to add the content type, site content type in our list, first we need to give the allow. We have to click the S button here, allow management of content type. So now we will click S, it will be shown in the content types. Okay, click on OK. So let's see, our content type will be shown here. So now we have to add the content type. This is the click here, add from the existing site content types. Click here. Now we can add the lists from the content types. Okay, now we will give the name. What I have to given for name, demo content. Okay, this is the content we have to add here. Click on OK. Okay, so now content type will be added. Okay, now we will click on demo content here. So we can add the site columns here. Okay, in this site content type, so we have add the site columns. So we have to add the site columns into the site content type. Okay, click on from the site columns. Okay, now here we can add. So we have an list columns, right, or else give all groups. Now we can add address and author, category okay, city. Now we will add city, address and anniversary, author. Okay, now we will add the 3 columns here. Okay, click on here. So these 3 site columns can be added in our content type. Okay, go back, this is the right, added. So now how it's work in our list, let's see. Okay, click on employee list. So we can add the data. So here not shown the add the data, right? We have to shown here item. This is the item content type, this is the demo content type. We have to create a demo content type. Okay, let's see how we can add the data. Now I will item, click on item, I will save here. So okay, I will save the data. Okay. Department. Okay, now I will click on save button. So data will be added. See. So this is the set city and address. It's not be saved. Okay. Now we will click on demo content. So here give the name, city, address, author X and Y. So we will click on save. So the data will be come here. But in case here we can't show in our author like columns. So how we can do this? Click on our view. So edit our current view. So here already shown, like in case the columns will be not displayed there, that time we can click on this what we need the columns, click on OK, that time it's automatically it will come. So now I will click content type. So click on this, column will be added in our list. Okay, click on OK. So let's see, content type column is added. Like this we can use the site columns and site content types. Okay, what is the major difference between site columns and site content types? So once I have created site columns, so we can use reusable. Okay, under the site content type we have to add the more columns like site columns. Okay, that is the major difference. So this is the site, we have to create one single column and we have to use multiple times in lists and libraries. So this is the columns under. Okay, under site content types, so we have to add the more site columns in one content type. Okay, and that content type we can use in lists and libraries, and we have to where we can use. So both are reusable. So I hope this is helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. So once again, thank you so much.